Red-headed woodpecker. The red-headed woodpecker is a ferocious, vibrant bird that can be found over a large portion of the swamps, grasslands, and clearings in the continental United States. With a bright red head, white underparts, and black backs, these feathered fowl are easily identifiable whether they are deep in a forest or hanging out on trees roadside. Among their strong flight abilities, red-headed woodpeckers' unique traits make them stand out. These nomadic birds prefer to differ their breeding location year after year. However, even when not in breeding season, red-headed woodpeckers can be found nesting in dead trees and cavities in dead parts of living trees. Although both partners build the nest, the male woodpecker is the dominant craftsman. Speaking of mates, red-headed woodpeckers prefer to play hide-and-seek with potential partners as they dart around stumps, branches, and trees. Once a mate is chosen, woodpeckers remain monogamous for a few consecutive years. Fun facts about the red-headed woodpecker. 1/3 of their diet is animal materials, insects, and 2/3 are plant materials, fruit, nuts, and seeds. One of the most skillful flycatchers among the North American woodpecker species. The only North American woodpecker to store food and cover it with wood or bark. Cherokee Indians use red-headed woodpeckers as a symbol in war. Ornithologist Alexander Wilson realized his passion for wild birds because of his interest in this woodpecker in the 1700s. The red-headed woodpecker that visited your yard last year is probably not the same one you are seeing this year. The birds tend to be very nomadic. Did you know that some wild birds get nicknames? Well, they do. The red-headed woodpecker is also referred to as half-a-shirt, shirt-tail bird, jellycoat, flag bird, or flying checkerboard. Color pattern. Adults have bright red heads, white underparts, and black backs with large white patches in the wings, making the lower back appear all white when perched. Immature have gray-brown heads, and the white wing patches show rows of black spots near the trailing edge. Behavior. In addition to catching insects by the normal woodpecker method of hammering at wood, red-headed woodpeckers also catch insects in flight and hunt for them on the ground. They also eat considerable amounts of fruit and seeds. Their raspy calls are shriller and scratchier than the red-bellied woodpeckers. Habitat. Red-headed woodpeckers live in pine savannas and other open forests with clear understories. Open pine plantations, tree rows in agricultural areas, and standing timber in beaver swamps and other wetlands all attract red-headed woodpeckers. Thanks for watching.